Today, you'll learn how to navigate the Sophos support portal, access our self-serve resources, and create and manage support cases. Let's dive in. The Sophos support portal is your starting point when looking for resources. It's our goal to make it easy to find what you need and resolve your issues quickly. When you enter the portal, you'll first see the current Sophos status shown on the right. This reflects the state of all our systems and services, including notifications about outages and maintenance. You can subscribe to receive SMS or email notifications. However, note that only emails are sent regarding maintenance. Back in the support portal, you'll see a list of featured and recommended resources available right away. You'll also see a Quick Links section. This provides you quick access to frequently used sites such as support downloads, Sophos Labs, and the Sophos community. Use the filter options on the left to refine the content by the resource type, product, version, language, date, or community type. In addition, you can use the search bar to type in relevant keywords. Advanced searching is also supported. Refer to our other tech vid to learn more about using Support Search. A preview of the top result is shown, and below this is a list of related searches. By default, results from all areas of support are shown and displayed by relevance. The color-coded tags help you quickly identify the content type. And once again, you can further filter and refine your results. In the Sophos support portal, you can also chat with a live agent. Click the chat icon in the bottom right. Indicate the team you need to connect to and the subject. Then, click Start Conversation. You'll be connected as soon as an agent is available. If a case needs to be created based on your chat session, they can create a case directly from there, including all the chat history from the conversation. Next, if you need to create a new support case, you can use these options depending on the situation. Customer care cases are for non-technical issues, such as those relating to the support portal or licensing. Technical support cases are for any technical issues related to Sophos products. As a partner, you can create cases on behalf of your customers, provided they've authorized you to do so. When creating a new technical support case, you must provide the license or serial number of the affected product. For help finding this, refer to the Sophos licensing guide, which is linked on the page as well as in the video description. If you're a Sophos MDR customer, follow this link for the steps to create a case. Select the correct customer account in the account name field. Then, enter the license or serial number. If you can't find the license number or this doesn't exist for your product, leave the field blank. Click Verify License to validate the info. If the field is blank or the entered license is inactive or invalid, you'll see a warning. You can still continue, but this will create a customer care case instead. After submitting the case, you'll be contacted by a member of the customer care team to clarify the licensing situation and advise you on the next steps. If your license is valid, you'll see a confirmation message. Next, provide some basic information about the issue. Note that you can change the customer contact name if needed. Select the case severity. You can view the criteria for each severity level by hovering over the eye. Choose your preferred language of correspondence by selecting the preferred team. If it's outside of regular business hours, select Global Support Team, which offers English support. Fill in the subject, description of the issue, and the product category. Then click Continue. You're now given a list of recommended knowledge base and documentation resources. Review the list, as these links often contain the solution to your problem. If you see the solution you're looking for, you can click Abandon Request, and you're all set. If you didn't find an answer to your problem, click Continue to proceed with the last step to create a case. Lastly, answer a few final questions to help us better understand and prioritize your request. Include as much information as possible. This will provide our support engineers with the detail needed to troubleshoot and resolve your case faster. Click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation message and you'll be brought to the new case. Here, you can add updates if needed. Click in the Write a New Comment box, enter your notes, and click Comment to post an update. Any replies to your updates appear just below the comment box. You'll also receive an email anytime your post has been replied to. As a partner, you have the ability to escalate cases. If you're not satisfied with the progress of a case through the standard resolution process, or you feel that management intervention is needed, you can take action. To escalate a case, select the region, enter the reason for escalation, and click Escalate. The escalated box is now checked. If you need to upload relevant documents to the case, click Upload a File. Enter the relevant information. Attach the files, then click Submit. Going back to the case, if you'd like to be notified of all updates, click Follow. To see all the cases you're following, go to the Followed Cases tab. To view a list of all cases, go to the Cases tab. Click on any case number to view its details. Next, to view a list of all your accounts, click the Accounts tab. Click the account name to view additional information for that account. And click on the Related tab to view your cases. As a final note, if you're experiencing a highly severe or mission-critical issue, do not hesitate to contact our global support team. Our global support numbers are linked on the homepage, so you can quickly reach support in your region. Our dedicated team of experts is ready to help. And that covers the main features of the Sophos Support Portal. If you have any questions, refer to the relevant knowledge base articles or contact our technical support team directly.